iOS 27 new features you should try on iPhone right after update. One of the most noticeable additions in the improved timer integration in the dynamic island. You can now view and manage timers more easily without opening the clock app, making it convenient for workouts, studying, or everyday tasks. Apple has also added a set of new wallpapers with customizable color options, allowing you to personalize your iPhone's appearance to match your style. Another useful feature is the new indexing status indicator in settings. After a major update, your iPhone performs background indexing, which can temporarily cause higher battery usage and slight heating. Apple now lets you see when the process is happening, making it easier to understand what's going on behind the scenes. The update also improves the liquid glass interface with better transparency controls. You can adjust the visual effect to make menus and app backgrounds appearance more transparent or more solid. Home screen customization has also been refined with updated icon styles that look cleaner and more modern. Control Center received subtle design improvements as well, including smoother animations and a more polished look. Even small details like the battery icon have been refreshed, helping the overall interface feel more premium. Camera users will appreciate the enhanced grid and level option, which make it easier to capture straight and well-aligned photos. These tools are especially helpful for photography and content creation. Overall, this beta update focuses on improving the visual experience, customization, and usability of the iPhone. Since this is an early beta release, more features and refinements are expected in future updates. Let me know in the comments which feature you like the most. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.